Good YouTube, it's your boy SS back again with another video. In today's video, we'll be driving Blanky in the snow. It ain't too crazy, but so hopefully it'll be an interesting video. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, let's get to it, YouTube. It ain't too crazy. Oh shit! So that dry shop is like, look. Hey, chat, this shit get crazy. Chat, this shit got crazy just here, bro. I see how Buddy went in the ditch. I low-key see how he went in the ditch. They gotta not know how to drive. Imagine I locked my brakes up and go dead in a ditch. I bet that would do.
Maybe that's what happened,
yeah,
bro.
he did. He probably did do that. I'm gonna try to lock my brakes. No, my brakes is bad. I don't think that's a good idea.
You think it's best if you know how to drive, just to drive with traction all the way off instead of with traction on? Because traction think it's smart, but it's gonna try to catch you when you don't need to.
Snowy, bro. I'm in drive, by the way. What the hell? I know bitch you gripping like hell.
That takeover night we had for the Thompson.
What the hell? I gotta park this bitch. Is it gonna roll back?
Nah, nigga.
Chat, I gotta go get out the car and look at this shit. Bro, chat, I just might crash, nigga. Chat, I might motherfucking crash. Chat, I might motherfucking crash. Holy shit. Oh shit, chat. Y'all got that shit on camera. Oh. Hey, I tried to throw I tried to do a 360 to save it, but nigga, it's not Forza.
This nigga say Forza. Bro, not if it was really thick, bro. That might have been, we might have been cooked. Not gonna lie.
In the car right there, bro. Hey, Chat, I gotta pull over real quick. Chat, I gotta pull over real quick, cause I'm about goddamn. Chat. I gotta. No, I ain't finna park in that goddamn dirt.
I
You get stuck.
No, I had trust, nigga. I had. How buddy did it, nigga.
Chat.
We see how buddy did it.
Chat. Boy, Chat. I got that shit on camera. I know y'all seen that shit, bro. I know y'all seen that shit, Chat. Hold on, I gotta go now. If I bust my ass, Chat, I'm gonna be mad. But Chat, let me show y'all, bro. Alright. Shit, it's about cold in the motherfucker, what? Chat. Alright, so I'm coming through this motherfucker like. Hold on, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. So, huh? Oh, facts. So I came right here. You can see my marks. I came from there. And like the car got so sideways. I'm gonna run. If I bust my ass, you gotta say W's in the chat. Y'all see the marks, bro? Y'all see the marks? Bro, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. But chat, I just about smacked out. And y'all see how deep that dish is, bro? I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Hey, boy, y'all, I just about killed my motherfucking self. Hey, y'all see my marks, boy? Boy, y'all see the marks? Y'all see the marks? Bro, look at the marks. Look at the marks. I went dead in them up. I ain't gonna get the ditch. But y'all see that shit, though. Hey, this shit ain't nothing to play with, but the video gonna be fire. We're back. The party continues. Chat, that shit was crazy, bro. I hope y'all got it. I know y'all. I just seen the footage, and I know damn well y'all got a goddamn a good view of that shit, because I was recording the whole fucking time. Like I was locked the fuck in, you know. Chat, and the fun's continue. You see the snow? We got a Camaro. Snow. Camaro. Snow. I knew exactly what not to motherfucking do. Oh God, you see that shit? You felt that grip and then it slid.
I didn't even see that shit. I just felt it.
Woo! That shit.
That bitch was talking back.
That bitch talking back, boy. That motherfucker talking back, man.
Oh, not again.
Not again.
Not again.
Roll back.
You saying it.
Ah! Whoa! Shit! Oh, shit! Oh, stop! This bitch going crazy!
Not again. Roll back. You saying it.
Ah! Whoa! Shit! Oh, shit! Oh, stop! This is going crazy! Boy! Hey, chat! This shit is crazy, bro! Y'all, do not drive y'all cars in the snow! This shit is not a joke, bro! This shit is not a joke, chat! This shit is not a joke, bro. I dead ass rolled back in the middle of the fucking road, accidentally, and then almost, exited and almost smacked the motherfucking pole, bro. How close was I to that pole, bro? Because I felt like I was there, bro. I felt like I was there, bro. Chat, don't drive in snow, bro. If you got a high horsepower car, wheel drive, do not drive that motherfucker in the snow, bro, because it's not worth it. But it's fun, though, but it's not worth it, bro. Like,
You can't control a lot of shit.
you cannot control that shit, bro. I think
We slide cars a lot. Like, we do this shit for fun.
hey, bro, that bitch spitting out, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That shit spitting out, man. I had no control of that bitch. Even by that cell light pole, it was still spinning because I was trying to drive out of it.
I died when you started telling the car to stop. Nigga, what you mean?
That shit was still sliding, bro.
I see.
It's for sure more controlling manual.
Hell yeah. I felt safe.
Yeah, it's more controlling manual. See what I mean by drive, bro? Drive, you gonna lose this bitch.
This mode.
Look at this shit. You can't even see the road. Why did I go this way?
You can't see.
I can see the road, but you can't see the road in general. It's a fucking blizzard out of this bitch.
Bro, it's snowing worse than the fucking was the first time, I think, now.
Yeah.
Now I can see the snow's coming now.
Now that sun gone and shit. Hey, chat, this shit's crazy. I'm probably finna end off the video here because I'm finna put this fucking phone down and like literally lock in.
Here I am.
So this,
There's a wreck up here?
I have no idea. All right, chat, this is the end of the video. Sadly, I had to cut the video short. It started snowing hard. Let me show y'all guys. It started snowing hard as shit. And like, bro, I almost fucking crashed. Not even on purpose, but I almost fucking crashed. Jeez. I almost crashed about a couple times. And it wasn't even on purpose, but y'all see exactly how deep the snow is. That shit got worse as fuck, bro. Like, I barely motherfucking made it. But alright, as y'all can see, the car made it home safe in one piece. But I hope y'all guys like, comment, and subscribe. Shit is crazy though. Peace.